Hi, Yellow Boys. Yeah, Yellow Boys back.
What song is this?
It's Upside Down by Jack Johnson.
What's your name, Nathan?
Nathan, 10 years old. RJ, 9 years old.
10.
9.
Oh, he's turning 9. Okay.
No, I'm at 9.
Right.
Who's to say what's impossible will they forgot? This world keeps spinning and with each new day I can feel it changing everything. And as the surface breaks, reflections fade, but in some ways they remain the same. And as my mind begins to spread its wings, there's no stopping curiosity. I want to turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance among the nature songs. I want these feelings go away.
Nice. Stop.
Who's to say I can do anything while I can shine? And as I roll along, I begin to find things aren't always just what they seem. I want to turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's songs. This world keeps spinning and there's no time to waste. Well, it all keeps spinning, spinning around and around and upside down. Who's to say what's impossible and can't be found? I hope these feelings go away. Please don't go away. Please don't go away. Please don't go away. Is this how it's supposed to be? Is this how it's supposed to be?
Nice.
Teach me how to jog. Teach me how to jog. Teach me how to jog.
What's the score?
Yeah, that was nice. That was really good. Please tell us the real score that you think. If it's only 81, you guys stink.
Ay.
Okay. Peace out and subscribe. Turn it off.